boys were playing, and they were doing terrible. I was younger, and I was home, and my dad went out back to the backyard. My brother went in the basement. My sister went upstairs. My mom went in the kitchen. I stayed in the living room. The Phillies started winning. We all gravitated to the living room. My brother screamed at us, "Go back where you were!" And everybody just scattered. Like, we can't jinx it. But come along with me. And Jeanette Trousseau, I'm so happy to see you. I missed you. Come out here, honey. I did a show, and I did not have my Jeanette, and we love
Thank you, by
all
the way,
you lovers
for wearing my loafers during the Susan Graver show.
All right, well, where is my friend John, who is the master of shoe shopping? He was so sweet, because I actually had a pair of heels, and I kind of came out my heels, and I looked over, and I saw this shoe, and I'm like, I need to wear that shoe. Why am I wearing heels? And so John already had it in the box for me, and he ran it over. Within 30 seconds, I had changed my shoes, and I stood for 2 straight hours, and my feet are so happy, thanks to you.
Thank you, thank you.
And also my pocketbook's pretty happy too, because this is now on sale. So this is a beautiful shoe from Franco Sarto. Talk about an icon.
Yes.
This is Icon Week. He is an Italian icon in the shoe world. This is a trending tailored look, but the first time ever we have a low price. And if you never know how to put your outfit together, just turn to Jeanette, who is amazing, and our expert from Franco Sarto, who lives in the world of fashion. She has such a heart of gold, and I want you to see the color that I hope you get, and that is our beautiful, elegant, fabulous biscuit multi with navy, and then almost like that dark British tan, and like soft kind of vanilla color on top. With this also truly is an icon, medium width, whole and half sizes. First day ever at the sale price, you're saving $40. Oh my gosh. And next we have tobacco brown. So just a beautiful classic. Look at the Italian flag on the bottom. This is so good. I've been wearing the black the whole time. If you saw what I was wearing in Susan Graver, it was this shoe, changed tops, changed looks. The shoe was always right. We call this one black multi, but that's the black with the animal print.
Yes, and it's actually like calf hair, so you could really feel that texture.
And free shipping. Also, 4.4 stars at QVC.com.
Yay.
Everybody loves what you have on, and everybody loves that beautiful, in a perfect fourth position right there, I might add, that biscuit multi. So if somebody is not like an owner yet, or if you at home have not really tried Franco Sarto yet, there's a reason why we all should, right?
Yes. Well, I mean, first of all, we are talking about something with true comfort, fit, and quality. So what you're looking at is a really responsibly sourced leather, very, very soft. It's inherent Italian texture, for example. This is really, really rich when it comes to padding. It's 7 millimeters of padding overall. It's patented Informa technology. So we know we got you supported from heel to toe, and also the arch of your feet. Look at that. Look at that
so
full
good.
support. But just to, if you're someone that never worn loafers before and you love flats, for example, this is a great way to style your wardrobe, get it a little bit more fresh. And what's great about this too, Jane, and I know you love this, is because of our outsole. We're looking at a 1-inch block heel, and it's rubberized. So what that really means is that because it's a flat, you have something that really supports the friction as you're walking, but the flexibility, the lightweight, and all of that real estate that keeps it well balanced, so you can walk from day into evening and style it with ease and wear it with ease as well.
Also, it sends a little message to you. By the way, wide widths, right, Sean, are pretty much gone. I mean, this shoe has, you are the best shoe shoppers. I always say, you're the best everything. You're the most savvy beauty shoppers and know what you're talking about when it comes to shoes. You found this already, and we don't have a whole lot of wides left, if any, but take a look what this says right here. It's so sweet. I'll read it to you. A different type of classic inspired by Italian hand craftsmanship.
Yes.
Franco Sarto, who came to QVC and sat on set and sketched for us. I mean, he's literally amazing. And this beautiful shoe is just Yeah, that $105 loafer that just because it's Icon Week, and he really is an icon in the world of shoes, because he gives us the Italian essence with all the comfort that you don't normally get. It's $64.98, and you can't go wrong with a loafer. I mean, winter, spring, summer, and fall, especially your biscuit multi.
I'm so glad you brought that up because of the weight. There's just true Italian craftsmanship in here, right? So you're looking at very high quality leather, first and foremost. I mean, what I'm wearing, you could see the piping details. That's inherent Italian influence right there, but it's seasonless. So what that means is that you could wear it for now, you could put it away in your closet. It's a wonderful investment. It's true to size, and all these beautiful neutrals, especially what Jackie got on with a pair of jeans, it's so easy to match with what's already in your closet.
And if you are traveling or thinking about, okay, I need some back to work looks, this is it. $64.98, the only Franco Sarto of the night. Jackie's in that beautiful tobacco brown. We also have it in what's called black multi. That's going to be your animal print. You saw me in the black all night long. I wore it and I loved it. And then the biscuit multi. Don't wait on that. It's by far the most popular. I love you, and I think we have a lot of cool plans together coming up. Rubbing the hands together. Thank you, Jeanette. Give me hugs. Love you, honey.
I love you. Love you.
Okay, a first ever is coming up next from our friends at Bionics. So, the word, not